Welcome back, my beautiful freedom freaks, to Show Me State News. In today's heartbreaking story, we uncover a shocking case of parental kidnapping that has left a Missouri father devastated. Stay tuned to learn about the incredible hurdles he faces and the urgent need for stronger laws to protect children from such traumatic incidents.
And boy, I hope you're ready for your daily dose of freak, because do we have a story for you today? So, are you ready?
Let's get our freedom.
Let's go get our freedom.
Freedom isn't free, it's being held for ransom. Everybody, please rise for the national
That means that you can go by yourself down there?
Here we go.
I don't know. You gonna say anything that's worth listening to? We want to hear you defending and upholding the oath to the Constitution.
In a heartbreaking case of parental kidnapping, a Missouri father is fighting to bring his children home after they were taken to Illinois without his consent. Kermit D here. This story is a devastating reminder of the future in our legal system to protect vulnerable families. And for a real twist, this is my story that only a handful of people know about. My ex-wife violated Missouri state law by abducting our two young children, son and daughter, and fleeing to Illinois. When I contacted police for help, I was met with an unresponsive and unhelpful response from the West Plains Police Department, Howell County Sheriff's Department, and the Missouri State Police. The police did nothing to help me find my children or protect my daughter from harm. I'm at complete loss as to how to get my family back, as I cannot afford an attorney and legal aid refuses to help me. And I know all of you beautiful freedom freaks know if the shoe were on the other foot, the government would be on me like white on rice. To make matters worse, my daughter was allegedly sexually assaulted while in Illinois by Michael Miller, my children's mother's boyfriend. This is my worst nightmare come true as a father. Let's take a look at what Missouri law says about parental kidnapping. Here's a simplified explanation of the parental kidnapping laws in Missouri. Number 1, custody and visitation. When parents separate or divorce, they often establish a custody arrangement for their child. This arrangement may include legal custody, decision-making authority, and physical custody, where the child lives. If there is a court order outlining custody and visitation rights, both parents must follow it. 2, parental kidnapping. If a parent takes the child away without the consent of the other parent or in violation of a court order, it is considered parental kidnapping. This includes cases where a parent refuses to return the child after visitation or takes the child to another state or country without permission. 3, criminal offense. Parental kidnapping is a criminal offense in Missouri. It is taken very seriously because it can harm the child, emotionally disrupt their life, and interfere with other parents' rights. The person who unlawfully takes or detains the child and face legal consequences. 4, reporting and legal actions. If a parent is wrongfully taken or kept from them, they should immediately contact law enforcement and report the situation. The police will investigate the matter and take the appropriate action. 5, court involvement. In cases of parental kidnapping, the court can intervene to protect the child's welfare. The court can issue orders for the immediate return of the child and take steps to enforce custody and visitation rights. The court may also modify the custody arrangement, deems it necessary for the child's well-being. 6, penalties. The penalties for parental kidnapping in Missouri vary depending on the circumstances. If the child is taken outside the state, it can be considered a federal offense, and the penalties can be more severe. In general, parental kidnapping can result in criminal charges, fines, potentially imprisonment. It is important to know that the information provided here is a simplified explanation of the parental kidnapping laws in Missouri. I will leave links to the Missouri state statutes in the comments for you to go check out. There's a troubling pattern of police dismissing parental abduction cases even when the children are in clear danger, said legal expert Sarah Thompson. The system is failing families like Permit D's. Parental kidnapping is a serious crime, yet law enforcement often fails to treat these cases with the urgency they desire. Stronger laws and enforcement are desperately needed to protect vulnerable children. I just want my children back home safe with me. No parent should have to go through this. As I fight to regain custody of my children, it is an ongoing battle. But my determination to bring my family back together is unwavering. This heartbreaking story is a call to action for lawmakers and law enforcement to prioritize the well-being of children caught in the crosshairs of parental adoption. For me and families like mine, the nightmare continues. But through our courage and resilience, we hope to inspire, change, and protect other children from suffering the same fate. Thank you for joining us today, and I'm all freaked out. Our hearts go out to all the families and their children during this difficult time. As the children are the ones being affected the most, remember to stay informed and advocate for the protection of our children. Together, we can make a difference. That concludes our story on Show Me State News for today. If you found this story compelling, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Stay tuned for our next update. Until then, take care and be kind to one another. Hermit E out. People power.
We the people are pissed off.